Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Surika and you are watching English in Little Room. Guys, this today's video is going to be very interesting because in this video I'm going to share my daily routine, okay? So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay? So I get up 6 o'clock in the morning, and after that I go to washroom, and then I do exercise and yoga for some time, and after that I take shower. Then I take a shower, and after taking shower I worship, and after that I get ready for school because I'm a teacher in a private school. From 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. I am in school, and after that 2:30 I reached at home, and after that I take a lunch, and after taking lunch I take a short nap for 30 minutes, and after that I watch English videos on YouTube, right? And after that 4 p.m. I give tuition to some students, and 6:15 or 6:30 I get free, and after that I take online class. I teach online. After that I teach online some students. I teach them English. Okay, so 7:30, after 7:30 I practice with myself, practice English with myself, right? And 8 o'clock I take a I have a dinner. And after that I study for a while, and 9 and after 9:30 I again watch something in English, like conversation videos, or sometime I watch movies, right? And 11 p.m. I go to bed. So this is all about my daily routine. And so guys, whatever I speak in front of you, it's all without practice. I um, didn't do any practice about it. Okay, so I'm speaking without practice. Okay, so because I want to check my fluency, like whatever, right, whatever I learned in the previous days. So nowadays I'm a beginner. I'm learning English nowadays. So that's why I created this channel, because I want to check myself. uh, I want to check myself, right? I want to see improvement in myself after some time, right? So that's why. And I want to share with you what I'm doing to learn this language. First, shadowing technique. I'm using shadowing technique. It's very important. It's very useful. Sorry, it's very useful, and right, it's very useful to learn English. Second, I practice with myself. As I said in my previous video, in the very first video, I don't have any person to speak with. So right, I don't have any speaking involvement, so I practice with myself. Okay, so third thing that is I'm doing to learn English, reading is most important. And reading is most important, because when you want to speak about any topic, then your knowledge without knowledge you cannot speak about on any topic. So reading help you to gain information about different topics. Okay, so first thing is shadowing, and the second practice, and the third is reading. These three things I'm following nowadays, right? And it's helping me, and it's helping me to improve my English, guys. And if you are a beginner, you can also follow these techniques. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.